guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. And I got this I got this today. It's pretty new. I got it at Staples. It's called a Quick Cube. So yeah. It's called a Quick Cube. And it looks like a Rubik's Cube, but a different name. So yeah, let's open this bad boy up. So while I'm unpeeling the tape, I'm going to tell you why I wanted this, and that is because I wanted something to do in my free time besides make videos. I also do have the hiccups. Alright, I gotta open. So yeah, I'm gonna take it out. Kind of difficult, and it's out. All right, let's throw that. Just the side. So it seems pretty loose by the looks of it. So we have red, blue, yellow, white, and green, orange. So wait, let's do it this way. So red, green, blue, white, orange, and yellow. Okay, so I'm going to mix this up and see how I'm going to mix this up and see. I'm doing a video. I'm going to mix this up and see how it turns out. Alright? Yeah?